Então sai, sai, sai da minha frente. Sai, sai, sai da minha frente. Hoje eu vou dar trabalho numa onda diferente. Hoje eu vou dar trabalho numa onda diferente.
Hi Curlies, welcome to my channel Curly Tales. I'm Talise and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I went a little crazy on Ulta.com and then I also bought the new Mielle collection from House of Beauty. So I'm going to show you guys what I got and how much of a product junkie I am, because I am not supposed to be buying any products, but I cannot turn down a sale. I really just can't.
Huh? How I look? How I look? Yeah. How I look? Yeah. I ain't running. Yeah.
I got the Ulta products. Ulta was having a sale for 20% off, $30. And then, of course, there is, you spend a certain amount and you get free shipping. And then you had to spend $50, so I ended up just spending $50 to get free shipping. And then from House of Beauty, they had a 15, like for the 4th of July.
Relax.
And then House of Beauty had a 4th of July sale. They had a 15% off everything. And then if you spend $50, you could have 20% off. But I didn't do that this time. I just got what I wanted from the collection and got the 15% off. So let me show you guys what I got. So the Ulta is gonna be a true unboxing. I haven't opened that package yet, but I have never purchased anything from House of Beauty, so I wanted to just make sure everything was looking okay. So I opened that box first. So this is the box from House of Beauty. I ordered this, I wanna say that it was either Tuesday or Wednesday, and today is Friday, so it got here very, very quickly. It was like the 2 to 5 day shipping was the same amount as the 5 day. It was like the 5 to 8 day shipping, so I was like, why not just do 2 to 5 days? So it got here quickly, and I am so excited. It's the new Mielle collection, the Hawaiian Ginger Moisture RX collection. So I got 4 products from them. All these products I believe were $10.95 except for the gel. I think that was $8.95. So the first thing that I got was this moisturizing overnight conditioner. It has a light smell. It's not very strong, but it smells nice. It smells clean and fresh, and it looks like this. It looks really thick and creamy, and I'm so excited to use it. I'm actually probably going to be using it today, and I'm going to, I don't know if I'm going to deep condition overnight, but I'm probably going to leave it in for at least a couple hours. I've never done a deep condition before shampooing before, so we'll see how that turns out. The second thing that I bought was the moisturizing hair butter. So I was just gonna buy this and not the leave-in, but then they had that 15% off sale, so I had to get the leave-in too. But the butter, it looks like this. It smells the same as the deep conditioner. It also looks, oh, it looks even thicker. Oh my God, I love a thick butter. Then I got the gel, which was cheaper than all of the other products. It's the moisturizing styling gel. It smells like the deep conditioner and the butter, and it looks like this. Oh, I'm excited to use this gel. Now from the reviews that I've seen, it doesn't seem to have a very strong hold. I saw someone and she kind of had hair similar to mine, and she said that her wash and go lasted about 2 days. So she wasn't happy, but I feel like I like fluffy wash and goes from time to time, so I think I'm gonna be happy. And I had to have this collection really just because the pomegranate and honey collection was so amazing. There are still products from that collection that I want to try. Like, I never tried the twisting butter that they have. I only tried the leave-in conditioner and the Coil enhancing custard or something like that. Coil sculpting custard, I think. And I also bought the smoothie, but I was disappointed because I just assumed that Mielle Organics didn't use silicones in their products, and a lot of their products they definitely do not. But the pomegranate and honey smoothie, curl enhancing smoothie. It has dimethicone in it, and I bought it without reading it, and I just don't even use it. So
oh hell no!
I am very upset about that, but that just lets me know I can't trust every product. I need to read every label, so I definitely made sure I read all the labels for this collection. And so this is the last product that I bought. This is the leave-in conditioner. It is called the Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. Looks like this. It looks like one of the packing peanuts is in it. And they taped it up, which I'm happy about, so none of it was able to spill out. It smells the same. I think this one might even be a little stronger, but it smells the same. And I am just so excited to try this out. So after I finish deep conditioning with the overnight deep conditioner and I shampoo my hair, and then I don't know if I should use a conditioner after it. I'm pretty sure I don't need to use another deep conditioner. I guess I'll see how my hair is feeling. But after that, I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner, the gel, and the moisture butter for my wash and go, and I'm gonna see how they do. And then I'm also gonna try this butter with the Wet Line Extreme probably for a wash and go. I think I'm gonna use this butter for a twist out. Maybe I'll use the leave-in with the Wet Line Extreme. I'm gonna try this gel with some other leave-ins. I might even try it with their Coil Enhancing Custard. And I'm gonna get my money's worth out of these products for sure. I am so excited to try them there. And this color is everything. This is like one of my favorite colors. Just Mielle Organics just knows what I want, and I had to have this, especially after it sold out like in 30 minutes when she put it on her site. I was like, I gotta find it. And then I found out from another YouTuber that she got these products from House of Beauty. I went right there and ordered them that night. So I will definitely let you know what I think, and I just feel like I'm going to be super impressed. So the total amount that I spent at House of Beauty, I believe, was like $44, including shipping. So these 4 products cost me $35 total, which I think is I got a great deal on them. So I am very happy, even though I'm not supposed to be buying products.
Boy,
Okay, so now it's time for the true unboxing. This is the box that Ulta sent me. I purchased these, I want to say last Friday, so it's been about a full week. It took them about a full week to get here, I want to say. So I got my scissors. So like I said, Ulta was having a 20% off $30 sale, and I went beyond $30. So the first thing that I purchased was this Mixed Chicks Coil, Kink, and Curl Styling Cream. So it looks like this. So this, along with the Pink Eco Styler, were actually the first products that I ever used to get a good wash and go. They were like my first successful wash and go. And I can't for the life of me remember what leave-in I was using. I feel like I was kind of doing different leave-ins every time. So I'm just going to figure out what leave-in mixes with both of those. And then I'm going to do retrying my first wash and go on my channel. So I got this. And then I also got a mask packet from the Main Club. I've never heard of this brand. Oh, and everything that I bought today is sulfate, silicone, paraben, mineral oil, phthalate, all of that. None of that is in any of these products. So I got this mask from the Main Club. It's called the Expert Procrastinator. It's supposed to combat frizz, and then it says you can do everything else tomorrow. It says it's a 5-in-1 deep conditioner, and the scent is Sugar Dreams. So I've never heard of the Main Club, but after I bought this, I did go to their website just to check out their products. They have a line of hair mask packets, and they all have other cute little sayings on them and stuff like that. And they all say they're 5-in-1 deep conditioners, but they do use different ingredients. So I didn't realize that. I kind of went by the scent instead of the ingredients. I wasn't like looking for a specific thing. but I thought Sugar Dreams would probably smell good. So this, so on the back it says, "Hey babe, we all deserve a lazy day. Just relax and we'll do the work for you with this conditioning pack." So I believe that this styling cream was about $9 plus 20% off. And this packet, I want to say was $4 plus 20% off. I'm excited to try it, and I will definitely let you guys know what I think. The next thing that I got was a limited edition wet brush. It's supposed to be a pro detangle. It's supposed to glide through your tangles with less effort, pain, and breakage. And this is limited edition. I think it's for Pride Month because of the rainbows. And it actually has a girl with an afro on it. And her afro is a rainbow, so I had to get it. Okay, so it looks like this. Isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen? She has on sunglasses and hoop earrings. I don't know if you guys can see that. The lighting is not great in here. I think you can kind of see it. But this is so cute. I am going to use it, I guess today when I deep condition, and I'll see if it's really about something. I have bought a wet brush in the past. I don't know which one I got, but I did not like it. It did not, like, I was having a very hard time detangling it. And I'm pretty sure it was supposed to be a detangling brush, but no shade, no shade.
No shade! No shade! We're talking about facts, right? No shade. No shade, nobody.
I'm gonna give them another shot. If I don't like this, this will be the last wet brush that I ever buy. And at least it has, you know, a black girl with an afro on it. So the next thing that I bought, I actually bought for my sister. She loves Invisibobbles, and if you guys have seen my nighttime curly hair routine video, you would have seen me using Invisibobbles to fan my hair at night. These were like her favorite products, so I got her 2 of their new ones. This one is the Invisibobble Slim. It's one of the smaller ones. Because like they can be pretty thick like this, but these are like thin. And they're rainbow colored, and they said that they were new, like brand new on the site. So I don't think she has these. And then I also got her the some kid ones because they had sparkles in them. I don't know if she's gonna like these, but I got them for it. You can't really see the sparkles in the package, but I kind of stared at it really hard, and I can see the sparkles. There are sparkles inside. Oh, before I forget, I believe this one was $9 plus 20% off, and this one was $7. These things are crazy expensive, but I was like, I'm spending all this money at Ulta, I might as well get my sister something that she wants, and they're on sale, so I'll definitely take it. So the next 2 things that I bought are actually not for your hair. I just needed to reach the $50 so I could get free shipping. So I got just a clear lip gloss from ELF, and then I got another lip gel from H2O Plus Beauty. So it looks like this. You can kind of see the H2O on it. It's shiny. And it is a clear color. So I'm excited to see what this is about. Maybe this will be a new chapstick that I use. I'll let you guys know what I think of both of these, probably in one of my upcoming hair videos. This, I think, was maybe $2. And this might have been $3. I think actually it might have been 2 or 3, plus 20% off. And then the last 2 things that I bought came in this little plastic bag right here. They are from the brand Noughty. I don't know if you guys have heard of them. I got the Wave Hello Curl Defining Taming Cream. It says it has sea kelp and mango butter. And I got the Intensive Care Leave-In Conditioner. And it says it has shea butter and argan oil. And all their products say that they are 97% natural. I got these products from Bianca Renee today. I don't know if you guys have seen her, but she does not use any bad ingredients in her hair, so I already knew that I could trust these products not to have any bad ingredients in them. I am very excited to try them out for a wash and go. She used them together with no gel, so I'll probably try that, and then maybe I'll try them alone with no gel, and then I'll try them together with the Wet Line Extreme. So I'm also going to get my money's worth out of these as well. I think these were both $9, and I got plus 20% off, so yes. Okay, so that completes my unboxing. Please do not judge me for being a product junkie. I literally am the worst. I just the fact that it said 20% off $30, I had to spend $30. And then I had to get the free shipping. I had to. But I just will not be buying any other hair products this summer, period.
Nothing else to say, like, period.
Period.
I am done until September, and I already have my list ready of the things that I want to buy.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay, well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end of this video, please be sure to put, I don't know, the shopping bags in the comments. Let me know you made it to the end. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment any videos you'd like to see, and share this video. Thank you for watching.